welcome back. This is the next video in this Polaris Sportsman maintenance series, and we're going to do the rear transmission, rear diff change now. Now the owner's manual recommends an 8090 GL5, and what I'm going to recommend is the Amsoil synthetic transmission and differential fluid. It's a G5. So what you don't want to do is put a G4 in the front. Sorry, the front calls for a G4, so don't put a G5 in the front and don't put a G4 in the back. So this will be appropriate. You could use the severe gear 7590 or severe gear 8090 as well. Those will work. So let's look under. So right there, that yellow handle there, that's the dipstick. Now let's look for the drain plug. So underneath the drain plug is right here, the larger hole, and it's a 7/16. So I'm going to pop that out and drain it out. There is a magnet on that plug, so inspect that. This fluid looks pretty clear. So I've got my funnel in the hole. You can do this with a fluid pump. That would work well. The trouble is your fluid pump will not get to the bottom of the bottle, and you would need 2 bottles, whereas this change takes exactly 1 bottle, so you don't really want to open another one. You want to be brave and try and pour it in the top of this funnel here. You could maybe try doing it from the top, or putting your funnel in on an angle, but this is probably going to be the best way to guarantee it's going to get in there. See if I can get this bottle in here. I can, like that. Shorter funnel or that pipe not in the way would work. Can do this as well. One thing you gotta watch out for is anytime you touch something, you don't want dirt to get in there. This is working, but you gotta pour real slow. You're not gonna get it in. Okay, that's our whole bottle in. Just gonna let the funnel drain for a second. Okay. So there's the markings on the dipstick. It's cleaned off. See where we are, right at the top line, so perfect. Install that, and done. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. We still have to do the front, gearbox, and the engine oil, and the hubs.